Lawson is pleased to introduce an expanded line of Regency M42 cobalt end mills and a new line of premium solid carbide end mills. These new end mills will allow for the machining of most materials made of aluminum, brass, iron, stainless steel, nickel-based alloys, and medium to tough alloys. The Regency M42 cobalt end mills include 2 flute single end for center cutting, available in 1/8 to 1 inch diameters, 4 flute ball end, available in 1/8 to 1 inch diameters, 4 flute coarse pitch roughers for non-center cutting, available in 3/16 to 1 inch diameters. All of these new Regency end mills come standard with tin coating, allowing up to 25% faster speed rates than uncoated tools, as well as maximizing tool performance and extending tool life. On the carbide side, Lawson will be introducing over 40 sizes of premium submicron carbide end mills that are designed for high-performance milling in steel, cast irons, tool steels, high-temperature alloys, and stainless steel. The carbide offering includes 2 and 4 flute single end for center cutting, available in 1/8 to 1 inch diameters, and 4 flute ball ends, available in 1/8 to 1 inch diameters. Lawson will also stock carbide end mills designed for fast removal of aluminum materials, available in 1/8 to 1 inch diameters. These end mills have a special geometry for high chip loads and feed rates in profiling and slotting applications. To enhance the performance of these tools, all aluminum milling carbide end mills come standard with titanium carbon nitride coating. This increases lubricity and allows up to 40% faster speed rates than uncoated tools. With the M42 Cobalt expansion and the new solid carbide offering, Lawson now features a variety of end mills for most machining needs.